You sit down to study, but your chest feels heavy, your mind feels noisy, and no matter how hard you try, you just can't focus. It's not laziness, it's stress. Your brain is literally flooded with stress hormones, and when that happens, focus, memory, motivation all shut down. So you scroll, you procrastinate, you feel guilty, and the cycle repeats. But what if I told you you can actually reduce stress in just a few hours without meditation apps, without complicated routines, without perfect discipline? In this video, I'll show you 3 simple habits that start working almost immediately and help your brain calm down, reset, and focus again. No theory overload, just real things you can do today. Before we start, understand this. Stress isn't your enemy. It's your brain trying to protect you. But when it stays too long, it becomes the reason you feel stuck. So instead of fighting stress, we're going to release it. Habit 1. Move your body. Fastest stress reset. Let's start with the most underrated fix. Movement. Not gym, not heavy workouts, just movement. Here's what happens when you're stressed. Your body releases a hormone called cortisol. It prepares you to fight or run. But the problem, you don't fight, you don't run. You just sit and overthink. So that stress energy gets trapped inside your body. And that's why you feel restless, tired, and distracted at the same time. Real example. Think about this. Have you ever noticed, after walking for 10 to 15 minutes, your mind feels slightly clearer? That's not random. That's your body releasing stored stress. Science in simple words. When you move, cortisol starts dropping. Endorphins, the feel-good chemicals, increase. Blood flow to your brain improves, which means you literally become calmer and sharper. What you should do. Simple steps. Don't overcomplicate this. Do this right now. Walk for 15 to 20 minutes, or do 20 push-ups and 20 squats, or just pace around your room while listening to music. No phone scrolling, no distractions. Just move. Pro tip. If you feel like studying but can't start, don't force yourself to sit. Move first, then sit. You'll feel the difference instantly. You're not broken. Your body just needs an outlet. Now your body is calmer, but your mind? Still running. Let's fix that. Habit 2. Brain dump. Clear the mental noise. Here's the truth. You're not stressed because of work. You're stressed because of too many thoughts at once. Assignments, exams, future, guilt, comparison, all playing at the same time. Like 20 tabs open in your brain. No system can function like that. You sit to study, but suddenly you remember that unfinished assignment, that message you didn't reply to, that fear about your future. So you switch tasks, then switch again, and in the end, you do nothing. The problem? Your brain is trying to hold everything, and that creates pressure. Simple idea. Take everything out of your head and put it on paper. Not organized, not perfect, just raw. How to do it. Take a notebook or your phone notes. Set a timer for 5 to 10 minutes. Write everything. Tasks, worries, random thoughts, things you're avoiding. Don't filter. Don't judge. Just write. Your brain relaxes because now it doesn't have to remember everything. It feels safe. Science in simple words. When thoughts stay in your head, your brain treats them as unfinished. That increases stress. But when you write them down, your brain sees it as stored, and stress drops. After writing, pick just 3 tasks. Only 3, not 10, not 20. This reduces overwhelm instantly. You don't have too much work. You just have too much in your head. Now your body is calmer. Your mind is clearer. But there's one more hidden problem. Your environment. Habit 3. Control your inputs. A silent stress killer. This one is powerful, and most people ignore it. Your stress is not just from your life, it's from what you consume. Think about your day. You wake up. First thing you see, notifications, messages, social media. Then throughout the day, Reels, YouTube, news, comparison. Your brain never gets a break. The problem? Every piece of content triggers emotion, comparison, fear, excitement, dopamine spikes. And slowly, your brain becomes overstimulated, which leads to low focus, anxiety, and mental fatigue. You open Instagram for 5 minutes. 30 minutes later, you feel drained, not relaxed. Why? Because your brain processed too much information. Not quitting everything, just controlling it. Simple rules to follow. Start with these. Rule 1. No phone for 30 minutes after waking up. Let your brain wake up naturally. Rule 2. Study in a low-noise environment. Less stimulation equals more focus. Rule 3. Set scroll windows instead of random scrolling all day. If you feel overwhelmed, do this. Sit quietly for 5 minutes, no music, no phone, no talking. It feels uncomfortable at first, but that silence resets your brain. Science in simple words. Less input equals less processing. Less processing equals less stress. More clarity equals better focus. If you don't control your inputs, they will control your mind. So now you have a way to release stress from your body, a way to clear your mind, and a way to protect your focus. But here's what matters most. You don't need motivation, you need a system. Here's a simple daily flow. Morning, start clean. No phone for 30 minutes. Light movement, walk or stretch. Before studying, 5 to 10-minute brain dump. Pick 3 tasks. When stuck, move your body for 10 to 15 minutes and come back and start again. Evening reset. Reduce screen time. Sit quietly for a few minutes. This is not a perfect routine. It's a realistic one. Listen carefully. You're not lazy. You're not undisciplined. You're just overwhelmed. And no one teaches you how to handle that. But now you know. Small actions, right timing, real change. You don't need to fix your entire life today. Just start with one habit, just one, and watch how your mind starts calming down. Your focus comes back again, and studying feels easier again. If this helped you even a little, make sure you like the video, subscribe for more real strategies, and share this with a friend who's struggling silently. Because trust me, they need this. Remember, calm mind equals sharp focus. Sharp focus equals better results. Start today.